the Shark WV201 Wandvac, the top handheld vacuum for 2025, and the winner for today. If you need a compact solution for quick cleanups, this vacuum is your go-to choice. Its design combines lightweight maneuverability with impressive high-speed suction, making it a breeze to handle. Weighing just over 1 kilogram, it's perfect for tackling pet hair and tidying up tight spaces. One of the key features is its one-touch emptying system, allowing you to clear the dustbin without any mess. Although the dustbin is small and requires frequent emptying, the convenience of its design makes this an easy task. The Wandvac includes a cone nozzle, upholstery attachments, and a multi-surface tool, increasing its versatility across different cleaning tasks. Equipped with a fast-charging base and LED indicator, this vacuum is always ready to go. Its efficient filtration system ensures a clean environment by trapping dust and allergens effectively. Whether you're cleaning furniture, tables, chairs, or electronics, the Shark 201 WV Wandvac handles it all, leaving surfaces spotless. Its sleek modern design fits seamlessly into any home decor, so there's no need to hide it away. The vacuum's lightweight build and ergonomic handle make it extremely user-friendly, while its streamlined airflow and robust brushless motor deliver amplified suction power for outstanding cleaning results. The handy plug-in support keeps accessories all organized in one place, further enhancing the user experience. Plus, the removable and washable filter ensures the vacuum maintains its high cleaning standards over time. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.